Hey everyone, welcome back to Reverse Engineered. I'm John, and in today's episode, we will remove all the deployed airbags, including cleaning up the vehicle. Stay tuned and see what's going on.
In order to continue taking the current airbags out, we're gonna have to take some pillars off. This one already came off with the airbags when they blew. This one seems to be good in there. We have to take this handle off. I'm surprised that the seatbelt doesn't seem to be blown, even though the airbag in the seat was blown. The passenger side as well. The seatbelts in the back seem to be good as well. Nothing wrong with any of these. Let's get to work. First and foremost, when doing any type of airbag work, you want to take the negative battery terminal off so you don't mess up any type of electronics or the airbag system on the truck.
UF cable has been removed.
Now that the battery has been disconnected, you can go ahead and start removing all the airbags needed.
It's out. It's finally out. This one. But I have another one in the back. And it's out.
Now that the current airbags are out, we can start removing the driver's seat and the passenger seat.
I'm gonna remove the seat cover from the seat so we can take it off and send it to a repair shop who can sew this back together.
Or try to repair ourselves.
Yeah.
Doesn't look too bad. We'll see.
Alright, let's get to it.
on?
I'm trying to figure out how to take these out. And it's finally out.
It's like skinning a deer, if you ever tried it.
Oh wow, it's pretty lightweight too. It's not that heavy.
Alright, we have removed all the airbags from the vehicle, but as you can see, we're losing daylight, and we'll see you tomorrow. Welcome back to the next day. The only thing that's left to do on the inside of the truck is clean it, so let's get to work. To give you some perspective on how dirty this car is, the amount of dust that's on the dashboard and on the floor itself, I'm gonna run my finger through this dust so you can see how dusty it is. Look at that. The reason that happened is because when I picked it up from the action, both the driver window and the passenger window were down. I don't know for what reason, but since they were down, all that dust just came inside of it, and just a little bit of, it's dusty everywhere. And so we're gonna take care of that today, and we're gonna clean it up. And so I wanted to give you an update on what we've done yesterday. We've also removed the driver's seat and passenger seat to get a better view on the floor mat so we can have it cleaned thoroughly. Before we are going to start cleaning, we are going to vacuum the entire floor mat, and then we are going to wash the entire inside of the car with a wet rag so we can pick up all this dust. And after that is done, we are going to apply a special solution to make this pop out. And after we've removed all the dust, we are going to apply Armor Shine to make this dashboard and the entire of the car look clean and shiny. So let's get to work. All right, and so we are going to move these back seats up. We are also going to be removing the vents because we need to clean them inside as they are filthy, dusty. Daniel over here already removed the passenger vent. What'd you find there? Did you find anything good? In the glove box? Just a couple of screws and a socket.
What kind of socket is that? What's it for?
Rear video camera wiring socket.
Oh, interesting.
I guess it might be pre-wired if you want to add it in and program it at the dealership.
I don't think we have a rear camera, do we?
No, we don't.
Ah, interesting. Alright, Danny. Keep on working, my man.
just have finished wiping down the dust from the vehicle, and now we are going to apply Armor All throughout the inside of the vehicle to shine and protect. Like new.
We just soaked the trims with water. We're gonna let them dry up and then we'll put them back inside. Alright guys, looks like the car's all done now. All the trims are back in, everything's cleaned up, looks shiny. We washed it pretty well. Put it on there. Steering wheel, dashboard, everything's all clean. The seats will not be put in because we still need to send those covers to be resewn. Everything else is okay. We ordered the driver's airbag. Put those things in. Turns out we didn't have to take the headliner off.
Alright everyone, this is it for today's episode. As you saw, we removed all the blown airbags and cleaned up the interior of this truck. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below of what you thought of this episode. And also follow us on Instagram at ReverseEngineered1. Stay tuned for what's next. We're going to work on the front frame of this truck. See you next time.